Today I'm going to show you how to replace a ballast. Now this is a T5 ballast. This ballast is something that, whether it be a T5, T8, T12, any type of ballast you're going to be able to install. When installing a new ballast, you're going to have to cut some wires. You're going to want to make sure you understand that on your device or on your ballast that you have the right ballast for the job you're doing. Hi, my name is Michaud and I am the electrical instructor. Today we're going to install a ballast. Okay, I have a light fixture that's not working. We're going to replace, I've already troubleshot it, figured out the ballast needs to be replaced. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the ballast. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to replace this ballast. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the power. Now these here are connected on with some clamps. So all I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to cut the wires so I don't have to mess with that clamp. This goes to the hot. This goes to the neutral. And this also goes to the hot. Okay, so disconnect the power from the ballast. Now the next step that I have to do is I have to cut the wires going to the tombstone. So these tombstones are wired with two wires coming out the ballast, and when I look at it, it's exactly the same as what I'm replacing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these wires in order to connect them back up. So this is my brown pair. This is my yellow pair. So that's disconnected. Alright, so now we're going to take the ballast out. Alright, first things first, we're going to take these wires out of the way. You always want to hook the ballast up last, okay? Just in case anybody decides they want to come in and turn on the power. So then this way here, now what we can do is we can figure out what wires go where. Okay, so we know the power goes here. Okay, so we have brown and yellow on this side. So brown and yellow on this side.
When hooking up the tombstones, it is not necessary to worry about which wire goes where. As long as one yellow goes to one and the other yellow goes to the other, the ballast makes no difference. Same thing with the brown. One of the yellow wires fell out. One of the yellow wires fell out, didn't they? Yep. Oh, that's a separate splice? Yep. Awesome. Once you make that splice, you give them a big twist. Get them up in the air so they're out of your way. Take the red, and splice the red. I don't know if you can see. Over here? Mm-hmm. You can? Mm-hmm. Okay. So whatever you do, I don't want this car in the picture. Mm-hmm. Your best bet is to always get your wire stripped and ready to go so that you can make your connections.
The main key is to make sure that you twist your wires back around each other. It won't hurt the ballast, and it'll keep them up and out of the way, make it easier for you to put the cover back on. Now what we're going to do is connect it, close it back up, put the lamps in, and see if it works. Remember, when splicing the new fixture wires onto the existing wires, you do not have to twist the wires. You can yield the wire and not do it. That's what the manufacturer allows. But it is that much better when you take the wire nut off, if those wires are twisted together, that you have a good mechanical joint rather than using the wire nut to do it. So I do it this way. If you choose not to do it that way, that's fine. Just keep in mind, I splice them together because that's what I do. It's the way I was taught. Okay, go ahead and cut it. Okay, this is an advanced ballast. Okay, this ballast can be wired either 3 lamp or 4 lamp, and the one we just wired was a 4 lamp. You can see the description here, you know, how to wire it. Kind of gives you, you know, you have your black and your white. Your black and your white. Here's our red and our orange and yellow, that we, blue that we had to connect. Okay, so all you got to do is basically follow the diagram and you'll be good to go. All right. You just have to remember when installing a ballast that, you know, the power's off. You never want to do that live. We were working on a 277 volt circuit. You know, that's going to hurt you if you don't know what you're doing. So always make sure you turn off the power. I mean, I'm a licensed electrician for over 25 years. I still turn the power off when I can. So it's something that you need to remember. Just work safe, follow the diagram. I showed you the diagram. Follow the diagram. Make sure whatever you take out, you're putting back in, okay? You don't want to get crazy and have to re-splice wires and things of that nature. So just make sure you get the right ballast for the right job. You need to really know what type of lamps and what your voltage is. Other than that, I hope this video helped. If this video helped, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor. Please subscribe, ring the bell. And as always, have a great day and be safe.